taken a pan here and I've taken almost 1 tablespoon of oil. We're not going to add too much oil because otherwise the oil will seep out. Garlic. We're also adding the chilies in now. After stirring this and cooking it for a minute, we are going to add the onions. The capsicum. Stir it again. The carrots. Although it is suggested that you chop them finely and have longer bits, but because that involves a lot of work, I have only run everything through a food processor. Because when you're in a hurry, what do you really do? So I've just run everything through a food processor. Makes my life a little bit easier. Now cooking it for only 2 minutes because we don't want the vegetables to go very soft. We'll add the salt in. The chili sauce. The sauces, the Chinese sauces that I'm using are Ching's, but you can use any company. And soy. Now we'll just add the cabbage in. We don't have to cook it too much because otherwise the vegetables will start discharging water. So just let them be for say another 10-20 seconds. Now we've taken out the mixture in a plate so that it cools down faster, because otherwise if you put hot filling into the spring rolls, they'll start leaving out water again. So let's start with making the batter for the sheets. We've taken maida, corn flour, salt to taste, and then we keep adding water slowly. You can use a normal spoon, but I'm just using a whisk so it helps me blend in fast. now we'll heat the pan first at medium heat and start putting the batter. After putting the batter this much, we're going to take off the excess batter in the pan. So now as you can see, it's cooked and it starts to loosen up from the sides. We just brush off the excess. And you have to use your hands to do this. You can't use any any utensil on any spoon. You just hold onto this and peel. That's how your sheet would look. Now I'm going to Now I've transferred it on a plate which already has corn flour on it. Now before adding more the next sheet, I'm just putting some corn flour so that both the sheets don't stick. Now let's make the next. So now that we kept making these, we realized we'll need to make them slightly more thicker. Super thin were not coming out properly, so we'll start with taking it out now. So now that we've taken it off the pan, you need to use a lot of corn flour and just put it on top so that it does not stick. So here I have mixed a little bit of maida and water. This is the consistency you're looking at. This is basically going to work as the glue that we are going to be using to seal our spring rolls. So now we have the glue, we have our sheets, and we have our vegetables. So let's get started with rolling the spring rolls. So here we've taken the sheet. So this side has the corn flour, the other side doesn't. So we'll take the other side inwards, and the side which has the corn flour, that goes down. Now we take the vegetables and make a line. Like this. And now first we'll roll the sides in, and then we'll start rolling the spring roll like this. First roll, second and third, and then the rest we'll just take some glue, apply it here, and seal the spring. You can just use a little glue from the top as well. So our spring roll is ready. Now we'll just start frying them. The oil has to be really hot. So now as you can see, it's turning golden brown. So we're shifting sides like, as in when we think the one side is cooked, and then evenly we're trying to cook it.